So how do you use the iTeracare device for beauty? Guys, this here is an incredible tool if you're trying to improve your complexion, your skin tone, if you're trying to get rid of wrinkles, and for anti-aging. Guys, this would reverse aging. This is incredible. I've used it, I've tried it, I love it. I love what it does for my skin. Now I've tested this. I've done multiple experiments where I've used it. Now my problem areas, whenever you're trying to grow in life, you look for problems that can be fixed, and then you focus in a healthy way on those on fixing those problems, right? Don't obsess about the problems, but observe what it is about yourself that you would like to change and work on changing them. For me, I have, my problem areas are my eyes. I don't have like too many wrinkles, in my this area, or problems on my neck, and so anyhow, I use this wand for about 15 to 20 minutes on one side of my face, right under the eyes here, and it's not going to hurt your eyes. It's actually very good. It's going to improve your vision, right? There are people that had vision problems. They couldn't see properly, and they use the wand. They were able to see. So the results were amazing. After using it on one side of my face, the difference was noticeable the following morning. So this here, you use it directly on your problem areas. Wherever you have wrinkles, you're going to use it. It's going to stimulate collagen production, and it's going to help with anti-aging, right? Now it's going to have a positive effect on a cellular level because it's a frequency device. So you focus directly on your problem areas. Wherever you have issues, you could focus on your skin, your arms, your legs, wherever, your face. If you have wrinkles, just direct the flow of energy there. Make sure you use the lowest setting, which is number 2. It's going to be the lowest heat setting, right? If you're using it on your skin, you don't want to burn yourself. And then most importantly, you're going to use it for detoxification. Guys, energetic toxins cause us to age. They cause us to feel drained and tired. They affect our energy level, right? And they weigh us down. So you could do an energetic detox with this, and this is the most important part if you want to use it for anti-aging, right? So you're going to use it on the stomach area. You want to get to these organs here: the liver, the pancreas, the small and large intestines, the colon, ileocecal valve, the pancreas, and the stomach, right? These are main organs responsible. You want these organs to function properly so that your elimination will be nice and there's flow. If the flow of energy is interrupted, then your elimination the flow is blocked, right? It's not a free flow. So anyhow, you're going to use that for about the more the better. 20 minutes, commit to this, guys. Commit to taking care of you. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you become a magnet you start attracting. You start attracting with ease, where you don't have to work so hard on a physical level to get what you want, right? Then you start attracting money, better health, right? More abundance in life, better relationships, more calm and ease in life, right? So it has a very compounding effect, guys. This here is a very good tool to have. Okay, so that's it for anti-aging. I have another one on weight loss. You could combine it too, guys. If you want to focus on weight loss, this is an incredible tool. Make sure
Before we go ahead, don't forget to click the subscribe button on my channel.